Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Google Meet in laptop or PC. To start, open Google Chrome, and there go to the page that we left you in the video description. You will have two options. First, click on the Install Google Meet icon. You will see a small installation window. If you do not have it available, click on Settings, and in the Save and Share section, click on Install Google Meet. Now click on Install. You will see that Google Meet is now an application on your system, and you have shortcut from the desktop. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.